Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today is going to be a quick unboxing video. So I've got a few boxes here. I've actually got one other box on the floor that I couldn't fit on my desk, and I thought it would be fun just to open these up and show you what was inside. Now I know what's in at least one of them because a few weeks back I posted an image of some of the Transformers that are in the Poundland shops here in the UK, saying that I'd managed to find 4 of them, and very kindly a few people got in touch and said they had the missing ones and they were going to send those in. So there's going to at least be some of these in these boxes, and I will be saying thank yous along the way. And then there's a few other pieces that I'm not quite sure what they are. I've got a package in the back from Danomatic. He said he was going to send me something, and this one I think has some extras in it, so I'm not quite sure what's in there. And then just arrived is a package that I have bought myself. So let's get on and open all of these boxes. So first up we have this box from David Stevens. Now I think I know what's in this one because David did very kindly get in touch as soon as I posted the images of the Transformers. I think he has sent me some of the ones that I am missing in here, and I've already sent David back sort of a thank you package with some toy-polloi badges and notebooks and bits in there. So a big thanks to him. Let's have a look what's in here. So we've got a little note. I will just read that out. It says, "To Dave at toy-polloi HQ, thank you for all the content that you create for the YouTube channel. I have learned so much about vintage toys and have even had a go at a few repairs myself. I really enjoy the toy hunt videos and hope to meet you at a Bulldog fair in Exeter one day. Happy to be able to contribute to the channel in a small way. Kind regards, Dave." Well, thanks, Dave. This, as I say, it was amazing. As soon as I posted this image of the ones I found, I've been hunting for these for quite a while and I just couldn't find them, and I think I must have driven about 140 miles to various different Poundland shops, and I finally found 4 of them. And yeah, David said that he had the missing 2, so here we go. There are the missing 2 figures. That is Grimlock and Optimus Prime. Now I will be reviewing these at some point soon, so keep an eye out for those. But yeah, massive thanks for those, David. Really much appreciated. This next box is from Matthew Paley, who again actually did get in touch straight away about the Transformers figure, so I know those are in here, so a big thanks to him straight away for those. And also he said that he was going to include something extra, and again I've already sent him some toy-polloi bits as a thank you back, so let's have a look and see what is in here. Wowee, so I think this is another full set of them. The ones I found in Poundland were absolutely mashed to pieces. I think they'd been kicked about on the floor and really sort of beaten up and were the dregs of what Poundland had to offer. So Matthew said that he had a sort of a minty set of them. As you can see, these are really very minty. There's nothing wrong with these at all, straight out of the box. So I think I will end up keeping a set carded, and I will be opening up another set for review. So you can see there, that's the full set of them. They're really nice. So what else have we got in here? Let's have a look. Well, look, there's an open version of Grimlock. I didn't see a carded one there, so maybe that is why there is a loose one there. He's a lovely figure. As I say, this will be reviewed because I'm really looking forward to getting those. And then what have we in the bottom? There's some more bits. Oh, there's a note as well. Let's open up these and we'll see what the note says. So, put a bubble up. Let's get unrolling. So, we have, it's a Hot Wheels Bat vehicle. What's that? The Bat. It's one of the flying ones from the movies. That's really nice. And then we have the Jetsons vehicle. Oh, how cool. I used to love watching the Jetsons. So it's a Hot Wheels Jetsons vehicle and the Batmobile. And then, oh, look at that, Terrorhawks cards. If you've watched this channel before, you'll know I do like the Terrorhawks. So we've got Sergeant Major Zeroid. Is that signed as well? My goodness. Who is that signed by? I'll have to look that signature up. That's obviously one of the actors for this. And oh, they are all signed. Blimey, that is signed by the lady who plays Zelda. That one is obviously signed by one of these guys here, and that one is unsigned. But wow, what a lovely selection. I've never seen those before, and that's nice. I'm going to have to get those put up in my room here. Thanks for those. And then what have we here? We have Star Wars on Blu-ray. Blimey. Do you know what? I don't actually have a Blu-ray player. I think I might have to get one now. Thanks for those, Matthew. Amazing stuff. Really very generous of you. Let's have a quick look, see what his note says here. So, it says, "Dear toy-polloi, hope this package finds you well. please find enclosed the Transformer figure set you were after. Apologies, Grimlock is off his card for some reason. I have thrown in a few extra bits just to say thanks again for all your excellent videos. Yourself and Retro Blasting have been real lifelines to me over the years. The Star Wars Blu-ray in here may be of interest to you, as although it's not an official release, it's the closest thing you'll get to see the original movies in high definition, as it was meant to be seen in 1977, i.e. no CG. Please keep the videos coming. I'm especially enjoying all of your real Ghostbusters restorations. All the best, Matt. Ah, well, that's what that is. And so I may have to get myself a Blu-ray player. I'm a bit sort of behind the times with ways of watching things, but I do like the original versions of Star Wars far better than the CG'd up version. So thanks for that, and thanks for all the amazing other pieces. Next up, we have one from Danomatic, who I've been chatting to on Instagram for quite a long time now. He said that he'd got something that he thought I would be interested in. He did actually send me some pictures of one from his collection, and I think this is a spare that he has. Now, this is not something that I've ever seen before, so I'm really quite intrigued to have a look at it. I think this one may need some sort of fixing and sort of repairing, and that's really what I like. So we'll open it up and we'll take a look and see. But it certainly sounds like an intriguing toy. It's made by Paley. I have to say, I have never seen one, so yeah, it will be a fascinating thing to look at. Oh look, he's even photocopied the instructions as well, so let's get all of this out of the box. And there's some other bits at the back there. So, right, well, that sort of gives you an idea of something about it. This is called Mic Zoom, and it's a power arm. So it's this strange thing that you put on your arm to charge up the bike. So this glove has little sort of conductors on it. You put batteries in here, you touch them onto here and charge up the bike, and it shoots off. And this is Mic Zoom. He's a sort of a bendy figure. This is made by Paley. I'm not quite sure sort of what era this was from, but it's old, and it's yeah, quite an intriguing looking toy. He's missing his little helmet there apparently, but there you go, that's what you get. It's a very strange looking toy indeed. All right, here you go, here's the extra bit that he plugs in the back of it. I'm guessing you sort of fit that in and it fires off, but it looks like quite a dangerous toy. The fact that you have to have this thing on your hand to charge it up. You can see it all sort of plugs in, so that plugs into the back of it. Really odd toy, but something I've never seen before. So you can see here, these are the instructions. Yeah, a very strange thing. I'm going to quite enjoy sort of working this out and trying to get it looking nice. Obviously, yeah, he says the helmet is missing. I'm guessing that's probably going to be really very hard to find, as it's such an odd little toy. But you never know, sort of with time, I may find one. But it's almost sort of like an electronic version of Evel Knievel. Very strange indeed. But yeah, thanks, Dan. Amazing to get one of these. And then there are a few extra bits I see here, which are from the modern Mego sort of releases. So these are some Star Trek uniforms. So there's, yeah, that looks like Kirk's captain's uniform, and then a few different bits for Spock, and a broken Spock, so it's just part of his body and his belt. So yeah, thanks Dan, really great stuff. The bike is very intriguing indeed. And then this final box is one I've bought myself. I ordered this at the end of last week. I know many people have been enjoying my reviews of the Masters of the Universe Origins figures, so I thought I should pick up a few more. So in here is the sort of second version of Skeletor with the new face on it, and also the second version of He-Man. So these are supposed to both look much more like the original figures. As you can see, He-Man is not too bad. Skeletor, well, I will save that as a discussion for a video where I actually review these. But yeah, I've just finally picked these up. I think Smith's Toys has started getting them in recently, and that's where I grabbed them from. They're still £15 each, and you can see they pack them reasonably well, although that's a tad of a bent card there. But yeah, that's something I've bought to review again in the coming weeks. And here we go, that's everything that was in those boxes. So I need to say a massive thank you to Matt, David, Dan, and also to myself, I guess, because I bought some things here, but really mainly to those first three guys. Thanks for sending this stuff in. It's really much appreciated. And you will be seeing a lot of these in upcoming videos. I will be reviewing these Transformers figures really very soon. I'm also going to get on and review the new Masters of the Universe figures. So check those out. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.